As the UEFA Nations League semi-final against Germany approaches, Portugal is leaving nothing to chance. Under the guidance of coach Roberto Martinez and led by the legendary Cristiano Ronaldo, the team has been training intensely in Oeiras. Every session is filled with focus, energy, and determination to secure a spot in the final. Ronaldo continues to show why he remains one of the world's best, pushing himself hard in drills, sprints, and shooting practice while motivating his teammates. The squad is building strong teamwork and sharpening their tactics to face a tough German side. This video offers exclusive, behind-the-scenes footage of Portugal's training camp, showcasing the hard work and dedication that goes into preparing for one of the biggest matches of the year. Stay tuned and witness the drive and passion fueling Portugal's quest for victory.